any procedural misstep or undue haste to give Duterte legal grounds to challenge the proceedings. Senator Coco Pimentel earlier suggested starting the trial in March. Meanwhile, Escudero said he is not interested in becoming vice president if Duterte is convicted. He emphasized that his focus remains on his current role as Senate President.
Yeah, I understand naman talaga that tricky yung situation ngayon because of the election season. Pero yun nga sinasabi natin, ano ba yung mandato ng Kongreso?
Nagano ka da?
For, to be
Ah.
specific, ano?
Ano ka da?
Oo, diba? Yung constitutional mandate nila, hindi naman nila mandato yung kung may mga panya.
Gano ka da? Eh, may nanahali. Tanga.
Forthwith sa dictionary meaning niya na
Okay.
immediately. Ang problema, immediately
Ali ay na.
hindi naka-define what is immediate, di ba? How many hours is immediate, how many days is immediate. So, kung in the absence of a definition, subject for interpretation. Ngayon,
Dapat go without delay.
kaya nga maganda yung pupunta sa Supreme Court, finally magkaroon tayo ng
Definition.
ng
Pero
definition.
ang isang question dyan kasi, meron ba talagang jurisdiction ang Supreme Court dito sa Senado?
Buti na lang.
Diba?